Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to practice maps in your Valorant account. So sometimes guys, let me just go here and reduce the audio of the volume, so something like that. Yeah, so sometimes guys, you really want to practice like where to position in such maps and where to go in some maps to really have the good angle, how to have like line outs in some agents, like for example Viper, and so go on. So how we can actually practice these maps without actually going to a competitive or a rated game in order to get lucky and get into the map and train in it. So basically what you're gonna do is open your Valorant and then open your account. Right after that, just go ahead and click in play, and here we go to the last menu, which is here. We click on custom game. Here, as you can see, this is the custom game. What I'm going to do is pretty simple. Just check on map, and here you will see all of these maps that are currently available on Valorant. Now, so for example, now the latest map, which is Lotus, it is available here. So basically, what I'm going to do is click on Lotus to make it happen, and here I will go, for example, to choose deathmatch, escalation, replication, whatever you'd like, and here I will make it allow sheet on, and here I will click on close. Now what I'm going to do here is click on start match, and just like so guys, basically now what's going to happen, I'm going to join this map directly. Like let me just show you real quick. I need only to pick my champion or my agent, so let's pick for example Jet. Here we go. Now all I will need to do is wait until the map will load and open for me, and let me just check little bit. Let's wait until it loads. So here we go, and in a couple seconds I will be inside of the map. So let's wait. I have some lags in my PC, so it's not the best right now. So here we go, I am inside of the map. Here is everything, so I can come here, click on sheets if I want to, and make whatever thing I want to do. And so go on the list, so end game, start game, I can make ghosts. So for example here I can for example make it at the button, I don't know, something like that, and if I did that I can move all around the map and see all through it without waiting the timer to do what it does. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually practice maps in Valorant. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, and thank you for watching.